Tomorrow, more businesses in Texas will reopen for the first time in a month. Today, Governor Abbott responded to criticism he's received from Democrats and Republicans alike. He also answered questions about testing and child care for non-essential workers. Our Jack Fink was the only North Texas reporter to speak with the governor today.
Governor Abbott defended his decision to gradually reopen businesses during the COVID-19 outbreak amid criticism by Democrats who say he's acting too quickly, and by some conservatives who say he's not acting quickly enough.
We know for a fact that the strategies that we are using to open up the state of Texas in the way that we are meets doctor approval.
As you know, experts say this state needs more testing. Are you satisfied with the level right now, which is about a little over 1% statewide, and what are you doing to get more tests here?
The primary source of new testing is coming from the private sector, and it is ramping up very rapidly. And so the amount of testing will continue to increase.
The governor said the raw numbers of people being tested aren't what is most important, but that the number of people testing positive remains around or below 10%, and that the state has one of the lowest death rates of COVID-19. He said hospitals aren't being overrun.
We haven't even come close to having that type of challenge in Texas. We've always had plenty of hospital beds and ventilators and ICU units.
While workers at essential businesses have access to child care, that's not the case for workers at non-essential businesses, who say they're worried about what they will do when they have to return to their jobs.
We need to make sure that to the extent we open up child care, we're not going to be expanding COVID-19 in Texas.
And any indication of how soon you may be able to make an announcement about that?
Again, it'll be as soon as possible, and that's a medical decision that I don't have the ability to give you a timeline estimation on.
Late today, the governor announced that unemployment benefits would be granted to people who refuse to return to work because their child's daycare was closed and they had no alternatives. Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.